Uppercut. A punch that travels from a low to high position, targeting the chin. The uppercut landed perfectly and ended the match. Bell. The sound that signals the start or end of a round. The bell rang, and both fighters returned to their corners. Combination. A series of punches thrown in quick succession. He landed a perfect 1-2 combination. Corner. The area where a boxer rests between rounds, with their trainer. He returned to his corner for advice after the round. Cross. A strong, straight punch thrown with the rear hand. She countered with a sharp cross to the opponent's face. Footwork. The movement of feet to maintain balance and positioning during a fight. Good footwork helps a boxer avoid punches. Gloves. Padded hand coverings worn during training and matches to protect hands and opponents. He tightened his gloves before the fight began. Guard. The defensive position of the hands and arms to protect the face and body. Keep your guard up to avoid getting hit. Hook. A punch delivered in a curved motion, usually aimed at the side of the opponent's head or body. He knocked his opponent down with a powerful left hook. Jab. A quick, straight punch used to keep distance or set up combinations. The boxer used a quick jab to control the fight. Knockout. A fight-ending strike that renders the opponent unable to continue. The match ended with a stunning knockout in round 3. Orthodox. A standard right-handed boxing stance. Most beginners start with the orthodox stance. Punching bag. A heavy bag used for training punches and combinations. He spent an hour hitting the punching bag to improve his power. Referee. The official in charge of enforcing rules during a boxing match. The referee stepped in to stop the fight. Ring. The square platform where boxing matches take place. The boxers entered the ring as the crowd cheered. Southpaw. A left-handed boxer with a reversed stance. Fighting a southpaw requires a different strategy. Sparring. Practice fighting with a partner to improve skills without full power. Sparring helps boxers prepare for real matches. Stance. The way a boxer positions their feet and body during a fight. A balanced stance gives you more power and speed. Technical knockout. When the referee stops the fight because a boxer can't defend themselves. The referee declared a TKO after repeated unanswered punches. Trainer. A person who coaches and prepares a boxer for matches. The trainer gave crucial tips during the break.